If you tired of wasting time by typing serial numbers manually, don't worry. I'll show you two numbers of methods for autonumber your Excel table. Suppose you have data with employee names, their tasks, and status. To track tasks easily, you need serial numbers. In the old method, we type each number one by one. But here's the shortcut. Write 1 in the first row and 2 in the second. Now select both and go to cell corner and double-click. Now watch the magic. Done in seconds. Now for the formula method. In the first row, type is equal to row small bracket open and close. But since my table starts to rows down, so I'll write the formula like this. Is equal to row then small bracket open and close and -2. Then press enter. Now go to cell corner and double-click. And done. Your table is auto-numbered in seconds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more Excel tips.